Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, so please like and subscribe my channel or press the bell icon for more videos. So today my topic is very interesting because my topic is how to make an old phone faster. Not ready to not ready to upgrade yet? Follow these tips to squeeze some more life from yet your current mobile phone. If your smartphone is starting to show signs of age and is not running as fast as it used to, don't worry. That does not necessarily mean you need to ditch it for a new one. Rather than spending a bunch of money on a replacement right away, you should try to rehabilitate your existing device first. Sluggish performance can often be fixed with simple software software based maintenance that you can perform with just a few taps. So with that in mind, here are some easy steps to make your phone faster and save it from the bin recycling bin. Hard restart. The quickest solution to boosting how fast your phone runs is to restart. Doing so can clear many of the issues that might be slowing it down, like app caching, running amok, network connectivity difficulties, and memory glitches. To perform a hard restart, and on an iPhone, press and release the volume up button and then do it same with the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For Android, the method can differ from phone to phone, but as general rule, you can press and hold both the power button and the volume down button for volume up button and volume down button for few seconds until the phone turns off. Give it a few seconds and then hold down the power button to turn it back on. If your phone seems sluggish, it could be suffering from a case of app overload. A glut of unseen, unsaid applications can slow things down by taking up a lot of storage and also hog processing power by quietly running in the background. To, to alleviate this issue, the first step is to check which app you are using. On an iPhone, go to setting, gen, general device storage. Here you look be here you look be able to the see what app you, you use the list. Tap them and select delete app. If you have any digits and want them back later, you can find them by going to the app store, clicking on your profile and then selecting purchase, where you will be able to re-download at no next exchange. If you don't want to lose your setting in an app but also don't want to have it take up storage, you can offload it by selecting offload app instead of delete app. The app will remain on your home screen, but you will need to tap to re-download to get back in. You can also set up the automatic removal of app you does not or use often. Go to setting, app store and official unseen apps and toggle it on. On most Android device you can check your apps by going to setting. I hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.